Hey guys, today we're going to make a Play-Doh Sweet Shop ice cream, and it has 9 pieces. It has 3 cans of Play-Doh. It's ages 3 and up, and it's also featuring a brown Play-Doh Plus. And now I'm just going to go ahead and open it up from the back, and just open it. And then you just take the bottom, and then this is how it looks like when it's open. And as you can see right here, there's also 4 molds right here, 4 molds at the back, and 4 more molds at the bottom. And now I'm just going to open it up, and inside we have 2 cones, yellow and blue. We have this extruder. We have a 1 scoop. We have a roller. We have 1 brown Play-Doh Plus. We have 1 Play-Doh, that's the color pink. We have sprinkle Play-Doh. And we have a spoon. And now I'm just going to show you how to make an ice cream. And I'm going to use a pink one. And I'm going to make a strawberry flavored ice cream. I'm going to open this up. Just like this. And I'm going to get it open. Just all around. And it's going to look like this. And then I'm going to get a scoop. Right here. And I'm going to get it. And I'm just going to press it right here. And I'm going to put it in a pink one. And then I'm going to get this Play-Doh Plus, and I'm going to open it. And it's going to look like this. And I'm going to get a little bit of it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to roll it. And I'm going to put it in this extruder, right like this, in this hole. I'm going to get this, and I'm going to put some frosting on my ice cream. So here it goes. Right here. And then you have little chocolate frosting on strawberry flavored ice cream. And now I'm going to make another cone with white sprinkle Play-Doh. Open this up, get another scoop. I'm going to push it. There you go. And you're going to put it down there. And on this one, I'm going to use 1 topping. And you can also use frosting on this one. And I'm going to use frosting on this one right now. And you're going to do the same thing you did with the other one. Get more frosting. There you go. You're going to roll it. And open the extruder. And add some more Play-Doh frosting. and I'm going to push it down. Right here. And this is how it's going to look like. And now I'm going to use the mold right here. And I'm going to make some toppings. So right now, I'm going to make a little pink heart. So I'm going to get pink Play-Doh. A little bit of pink Play-Doh. Roll it up. Right here. And I'm going to get this cart. Oops. And I'm going to get it. Push it down on the mold. And I'm just going to get it out. Put this down there. And then you have your little heart mold. And you're just going to take off the extra pieces. And then you have your little pink heart. And I'm just going to put it right here at the frosting. So right now you have your sprinkle ice cream with chocolate frosting and a pink heart topping. And right here I'm also going to give it a little topping. And I'm going to make it a little sparkly teddy bear. I'm just going to put some Play-Doh right here. Then I'm going to take it off. Then you have your little white teddy bear. Take the extras off and put it right here. You can also, with this playset, you can also make a waffle cone. And I'm going to show you how to make a waffle cone with this roller right here. And I'm going to make it out of this white dough. Right here. And you can get a lot. You'll roll this, make it a little flat, and you just roll it up. Right here. Just roll it. And then you'll have like little pieces of squares. Whoops. Right here. And then you're just going to roll it up. Right here. You have your little cone. And you can also put some ice cream in it if you want. And I'm going to go ahead and put some ice cream. I'm going to get it a strawberry favorite ice cream. Right here. And you can just put the strawberry flavored ice cream right here on this Play-Doh. Which now you will have a little cone. So, and then you'll have 2 cones, and you'll have a waffle cone right here. Right here. This is the cone with a heart shape. And then this is the one with a teddy bear shape. So this is what comes in here. Right here. And you can just have a spoon and put it right there. And this is how we have our Play-Doh ice cream sweet shop. How to make ice cream. Extruder, spoon, and then right here. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, UZ, and bye.